Finally, the wait is over. Zoholics are coming to Toronto, Ontario, Canada on November 6th and November 7th, 2019. If you never attended a Zoholics, I can tell you from my experience, it's a great event. The reason is because I am a bottom line guy. I don't like people that talk too much, and I don't like events that people just talk and do nothing. When I am going to a Zoho event, I will prepare a list of questions and I will schedule a one-on-one consultation with their product managers, their top guys. Now, for me as a business owner, it's priceless because I can come up with very strong and difficult questions, business questions, and Zoho product managers will help me find a solution for my business based on my business problems. It's totally priceless. Another thing that I really like about the Zoholics is that Zoho will create multiple sessions at the same time. Some sessions will be about how to improve your Zoho CRM, some of them will be about the Zoho One, some of them will be about Zoho Finance Suite. Every session will give you value in a different level. It all depends on your personal interest, right? As you can understand, I will also be at the event, right? So whenever you see me at the event, don't be a stranger. We know each other, right? Come over, talk to me. You can ask me questions related to a specific problem. You can share with me anything related to this channel or Zoho or any kind of business problem. I will be more than happy to help you. Now, the last thing, I dropped a coupon code on the bottom. I can promise you I have zero profit or money coming from Zoho to me. It doesn't work like that. I just give you the coupon so it will be easier for you to attend the event. I also dropped in the description the coupon code and also the link to Zoho where you can actually register. So I hope that I was able to convince you that it's valuable, and I hope to see you at the event. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you at the next session.